So it's a gorgeous collection of lures here. Cattle.
Yeah.
Wave to camera as always. I highly recommend this shop. If you're ever in Portumna, lads, stop here and you're gonna love it. Don't fell. I'm in a fish, huge fish. I want you to take a picture of me better. Now I have to first look at this. Oh, oh, she's fucking. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Just stay there, baby. I don't want her to injure herself. She's fucking heavy. Oh, stop. My personal best, definitely. Now I'm hoping she won't. Hook is out. This is good. Whoa. 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 Oh, that's heavy, boy. Look at. Oh, thank you, Dave. Will I release her?
I'll get on video.
Will I put her down here? Come on, babe. Slim. Yeah, she's off. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. That's 25 pounds. That's huge. Look at this. I never got such a big pike in my life. Oh my god. Look, I'm still shaking. Man. Oh my god. That's a I think 5,000 pen 3 battle. Yeah. And you could still feel her. Oh. I thought I snagged when
right, Jason. Alan just got a crocodile out here. Thinking quick.
Kind of fast and then slow, kind of do a bit of a mix. She was really heavy.
Should have been out earlier, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Early mornings when they go out hunting for.
Shut up and sit down.
Oh, Pike again.
Shut up and sit down.
I'm going to full throttle, boy, full throttle. He jumped over the kayak. I saw her jumping over the kayak and into the kayak. I wish if I had my camera turned towards you. Yeah, that's a really nice one. You can release her now. I don't know how many more bikes this lure is going to be able to take. It's literally destroyed. There's bow ties missing. It's in bits. Very good one. So lads, this lure isn't in bits like so destroyed. Look at all those bolts and everything. That's just in its bits. But it caught me a lot of fish today. Unbelievable. Well done, Savage Gear. Well done. There she is. Nice one. Copper spoon, huh? Nothing can be the copper spoon. That's good. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be perfect. Savage Gear, you're making the greatest products in the world. Well done. Your fishing rods, amazing. Your lures, amazing. Your net, floating net for a kayak, love it. Well done. Love your job. Love your business. Well done, Savage Gear. Your lures are just killer for a bike. Totally killer for a bike. Rapalas are good, but Savage Gear especially, either your fishing rods, nothing can beat it. I'm using it for the last couple of years, and lads, if you want a good fishing rods, definitely go for Savage Gear. Like, I'm using it on the fresh water, I use it on the sea, there's no problem with the raft or corrosion. They're very nice, they're very sensitive, you can really handle the bike well. This road back there is Savage Gear XTLN, I think. It's a 100-gram road, but it's a killer. It's a killer road. You can troll with it, you can cast with it, you really feel that fish when she strikes that lure, and it's really sturdy. It's really doing the job well. Then I have the video fishing yesterday. Yesterday I got a lot of pikes as well on the same lure. Like most of like I have a lot of different lures, but mostly like here on our local lakes, like like Rapalas. There's like a Rapala jointed shot, very good lure. And a countdown, for example, is very good as well for a small pikes and a trout. Then when it comes to like a bigger pikes, like Savage Gear all day long, like they have, like I'm using currently my 3D Roach in kind of a natural color, and it's a real, like as you can see, lads, like it's producing a pike after pike after pike. It's just amazing. It's just really amazing product. There's a lot of, excuse my language, but crap on the market as well, and you have to be careful what you buy in. But and on the end of the day, like these lures, they're doing the job now. Like there were days where I couldn't catch anything, and then I usually stick to the old kind of like spinners or spoons, like the copper spoons. I have here one Abu Garcia copper spoon. Got a few bikes on it as well, but it wasn't as productive as the Savage Gear Roach. I really like that. And also, like when it comes to the lures and here fishing in Ireland and on the lakes, salvo slider is very good one as well. Like I put a few bikes on that. Now here, I tried it today, like for a good bet, like with a salvo, but I got one bike on it, and it wasn't even big. It was maybe 4 pounds ish. It was a nice bike, but nothing special. Last time we were fishing here, my friend got on a salvo slider, 17 bikes. Much like you can see with my videos. It was really amazing, and that was the only lure that was amazing. It was the fish that day. He just managed to match that color, and it was real. Like today, that Savage Gear. Now that Savage Gear isn't real because it's not just today. Like many times, like if I'm not catching the bike, I would just stick that roach in the back, slowly troll around. What is it there now? 3.4 kilometers per hour. I noticed that you have to go over 3 to get a bit of an action to that lure. But once when you get over that 3 kilometers per hour, you really get that nice action and produce bike after bike after bike. It's just amazing. Even in the deep water, like back home, like there's like I'm fishing often in the Scarra Lake, and it's a very deep lake up to like the middle of like the vast majority of the lake is around probably 80 feet, like if not 70, 80 feet, I think. So let's say 70 feet. That's very deep. This lure is still producing fish, so that's a good sign. So let's hope for a few more, and then we can head off and call it a day. Whoa, look! His lure is almost bigger than him. It was the best day of my life. Literally.
Yeah, it's a good spot here, isn't it?
It's unbelievable. It's very good. I love Inniscarra, but I love this even more. It's just so good, so much fish, and I like it because it's shallow. You don't have to use all those fucking stupid heavy lures and stuff. Oh. Whoa, it's deep.
Yeah, it's a bit shallower there. You give me the nose of your kayak.
Oh, dude, like I'm gonna just push it there and
Okay, yeah.
yeah, and get out there, and then I have to anyway get it here because otherwise I won't be able to. Yeah, that's shallow here. Oh, that's way better. Whoa, that's no good. That's mud. Whoa, I'm literally sinking into that mud.
How many fish do you think you got in the end?
That was 15.
Very good.
A lot.
Yeah.
Really a lot.
You can get your wheels, I mean.
Stop.
Here? Oh, here?
Oh yeah. That'll bring you back to the menu. Now if you open the chart, it'll open in avionics. I have an avionics card. No, yeah, it's not a touch screen, you have to just do the enter thing. You see I have an avionics.
Oh, this is where you were today?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So you pretty much stayed in the bay, basically?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I just left that there because I knew I was coming back. Yeah. No, I got it. Oh, I'll put you in, Ellen. Oh, don't worry. You'll go for a swim.
No. I'm a strong man. Whoa. Oh, do you want me to move my car?
No, we're okay. There's a little peg there, I just didn't want to scratch it.
All right.
Yeah. Easier than I thought.
Oh, this was a killer lure. Look at the state of it.
In the high position. I should have.
I didn't try your kayak and I said I will.
That's true.
Put it back in the water.